it's John from Ford here in Mount Vernon. We just got this 2023 Ford F-150 Raptor in. I'm going to show you 5 unique things on this truck that you won't see on everyday's vehicle. Alright guys, so you may see this 37 written on the side. So it's the Raptor 37 Performance Package, which gets you these huge 37-inch tires with the 17-inch speed locks. And then also you get the Fox 2.0 shocks. This thing's not getting stuck anywhere, guys. So number 3 on the list would be the 3.5 liter high output EcoBoost engine, making it massive. The blue Recaro interior seats, one of the most comfortable seats I've ever ridden in. Alright guys, so the 5th and final option in this vehicle has to be the exhaust modes. You have 4 different options. We have quiet, normal, sport, and Baja, which is my ultimate favorite. Alright guys, if you're in the market for a unique truck with multiple capabilities, give me a call today or come in and discover the Donnelly difference.